Good morning! Today is not very nice outside, so doggies didn't go for a walk. They don't really like going in the rain. Last night I managed to put all those clips together and made my first vlog, proper one. So it was exhausting and I have no idea how people can do it daily, every single day, and spend so much time assembling it all and even recording. It's like life goes on hold. You do something, it's like, oh, let me just video that, let me video that. So I'm not sure how it's going to go with our reality. Just going to tell you what's happening today. So we are planning to go to Southampton. I'm going to cast my vote because there's voting day in Poland, and as we live in UK, I have registered and I can vote, which I will use my right. And after that, we're gonna pop to Ikea. We're gonna choose the chair, nice, comfortable reading chair, which will go in a corner next to the bookcase. So it will be lovely in the autumn. We can just relax. Well, it's one chair, so one person at a time can relax, stretch the legs, put a book in the hands, and just have a lovely snuggly time. There will be matching blanket, and so the choice is either grey, light grey, or green, which is like a bottle colour green with like a velvet fabric. So hopefully that would match, and we just wanted to see it live, how it looks like. I did see them before, but I don't remember if I really paid attention to them. So we're gonna have a look and choose the perfect reading chair. We have lots of spaces in our house where you can just crash and relax. So window seat is one of them, just where I'm sitting right now. It's really lovely because you can look outside. It's not nice to look up today, but I kind of like sitting inside while it's raining. And yeah, that's the plan. Not much. Sunday morning. Haven't had my breakfast yet, so I better get going. Good morning. Good morning, Daddy. Good morning, child.
Good morning.
Oh my goodness, are we whispering today? There's whispering. Oh my goodness. So today we are going. Okay, I'm gonna talk normal because it's exhausting to whisper. We're gonna get into whisper mode in a second. So we're going to Southampton. I'm gonna cast my vote.
And you're gonna vote for...
Oh my god, he just said who I'm gonna vote for, but I'm gonna out just in case. So after voting, we're going to... Where do we go after?
I don't know.
It starts with the E.
To watch Incredible.
I.
Good guess.
I test.
Not for eye test.
Ikea.
Yay!
Good
Oh
guess.
gosh, so many speed bumps. We're going to Ikea. We're going to choose the right reading chair. You're going for green, bottle green, or grey. Look how handsome my fiance looks like. Oh my gosh, he is hottie. Anyway, so we're gonna choose that, and we're gonna do some videoing there, hopefully. So everyone stares at us like kind of clowns. See you later. Oh, one more thing. Mars, can you make that bunny sound that you were making this morning?
I was being Smelly the rabbit.
Smelly. Excellent. Well done.
I was being Smelly.
You could be a real rabbit now. Thanks. That looks like a nice building. Not in use. Thanks for those wiper farts.
So much before it's raining.
It looks like a
Pyramid.
pyramid, that hotel. I have done, what have I done? The christening before, photograph christening. I think I've done some meetings.
It has
And I
a
drove-
straight line in it.
And it has miles. I drove here all by myself, which was scary. And this is historical Southampton, guys. And this is where all the ferries going to. This is the and look at this, yellow and blue. Oh man. Syndicated. Oh, West Quay, big shopping centre and restaurants. Maybe we could go eat there. Well, are we on the wrong way again?
Possibly. Oh, the reason why red stops is because they're all turning right. I don't want to turn right. But I know
We
if I
do.
get out. Okay.
Ikea's just there.
Yeah, people are turning right there.
Mm.
No, I'm a bit too close in here. Okay.
We get there.
Someone's getting all the bargains.
All we want is a green, hopefully, chair.
Oh, so you've already decided.
I,
So why did we come down?
I want to see it live before I'm disappointed with it. There's my little Dina. Hello.
Anya's just being silly this time, okay?
Who's being silly?
Ania. This guy who just talked for a long time.
Oh.
Ania.
What?
The yellow hair.
With the yellow hair? What? Mummy's getting a haircut soon and a change of hair.
Haircut!
Everyone get your hair cut
Cut
today.
today.
Not today.
Haircut!
Miles, can you sing Bubble Guppies?
I've got a video.
Bubble guppies, bubble guppies, bubble guppy guppies, bubble puppy,
You got the guppies or puppies?
bubble guppies.
Oh, Miles, what does it say? Turn on the other side. Hello, I am Mr. Miles. How do you do? Does it mean you work here, Miles? You're making pizza? You?
Yeah, I'm gonna come here every morning after breakfast. This is gonna be my breakfast club. So every after breakfast, I go to here to work.
That looks nice.
My answer. That means I'm going to make people and some people something, and that can make you happy.
Get off.
Miles, that's not your bedroom. Oh, I like those planters. Should we have some dinner? Oh, these are new frames.
I'm left behind.
Would you like these? Right, would you like these containers in your bedroom?
Yeah.
Quite good size.
Let's buy that.
We can make shelves to fit those. Have some toys.
I love
Let's
this.
keep that.
Such a nice view through the window.
Right.
Mars, what's behind the window?
Oh. Messages. Ooh.
Have you got any messages, Mars? Oh, we found the chair. Oh, yes. Mars, what do you think of this one? I love the colour.
Green. That wasn't the green I was expecting. I thought it was going to be like a pea green. Pea green.
Pea green.
Pea green.
No.
Right. Very nice. Oh, isn't it that one?
Not this.
Yeah, try it.
No, that's ugly.
It's not comfortable.
I don't like it. Super comfortable, and it's coming with a little stool. No, it won't.
What's the date, guys?
It's not a pretty chair. And look at the price tag. 325.
Yeah, sit on it. It's not comfortable. Have a sit down.
The mustard pillow. Or something else. It colours don't really do any justice. It honestly. Absolutely not a chance we're getting this one.
Definitely only 7 hours.
No, that blue is nice.
Oh, super cool.
Not.
It's not like old lady.
I'm an old lady,
Smart
so
over there.
worst case scenario, we get this flowery one.
You're not a 10-year-old.
I love this, but on the video it looks like it's black, but it's got lovely deep green colour. It's beautiful. I can see myself on it.
Christy Burr.
What is it?
Christy Burr.
Oh,
Quality.
Add some little.
And this one is
no risk
R&A
anyone will
red box.
steal it.
Add some of this salt in.
Looks like a bachelor's pad.
The toy.
Hello. Hello. This is not
Oh yeah, it's just a toy kind.
Are you having your dinner in Tokyo?
First check.
Oh dear. Is this so? Does somebody live here, Miles? Does somebody live here?
I think so.
Someone of Xbox.
TV game. Oh, this is Super Mario. I got stuff.
Beautiful view.
How much does
Oh,
take?
I'm gonna go 5.
Like 2 years.
don't know, not a fan of it. Not a fan of dusting. Black and dusting. £300 for this? What? You could do it for £20, couldn't you? Oh, bay window. Oh, pretty. Let's have a look what's inside. Ooh. Looks like from a house from Friends. Oh my god, Miles, no. It's not a toilet. Not a real one.
It's a toy.
You're looking for shoe storage?
Just in case I see it.
Not here? What a funny picture of a couple. Seriously? A wedding picture? Who's that, people? Miles, who's this? Miles, you can't open it. Who is that? Miles, no! Close it! You're not allowed. Let's find Daddy. Where's Daddy gone? I want to choose a bedding. We are on the way back home.
We just been to Ikea. And Mummy had to vote in Southampton and she voted.
Oh, so
Send this one to us.
This is what we had to drink. It was yummy.
Yeah.
And
Well, this guy with the black hair and the sunglasses didn't drink any.
well, I have some left for Daddy, so that's good news. Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave.
It's nice and sunny now. Maybe when we come back we can take doggies out. We'll see. It's sunny now, but it might change because the clouds look a bit change any moment. Say bye bye.
Say bye bye. Bye bye. Watch this video at any of this time. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.
Oh, hello. Let them go, Miles. What are you doing? Hello. Hello. Oh, you're gonna stroke Lola, Miles, or not? Hello, Lolly. Hi.
I forgot to let doggies need some strokes all the
What
time.
did you? They love cuddles, stroking and kisses. Oh, happy puppies. I wanted to hear the birdies singing. Let's got the bins out and let's look on those huge trees. Ashes and beautiful. And these trees host lots of birds. They're so quiet now. I just came outside. Come on, birdies. This is typical. What else to sing? So this is the end of a very long day. We have I've been voting. We went to Ikea and we went for pizza, and we are so tired. And I always feel after eating out and after Ikea so thirsty. So I'm gonna go and have lots of water to drink. But what we bought this lovely duvet set. It was so pretty. And a couple of cushion fillings. And the tray for Duncan. He's gonna use it for his truck to catch the oil dripping, and maybe on one of our storage for shoes. Hello, Miles. What have you got? Diaries? Oh, that's your paintings from yesterday.
That's my 5th diary.
Let's have a look. Can you show it to the camera?
Diary
Oh.
of Miles.
Whoa.
Diary
Very
of
blue. Very pretty.
Yeah.
Well done. Do you
The
want to do some
5th
more?
diary by Miles Nichols.
So I'm gonna put this movie together in a minute, and it's probably gonna take me a long time. Hopefully not like yesterday. I was doing it till 1:30 at night, something like that. But first time, you know, it's always the hardest. I was learning things. I was going, Miles, you're not going to pinch any paper, are you?
I'm not going to. Hey.
No, all you have to do is ask for paper and Mummy give it to you. I can't see you in the camera. You have to do it a bit lower. To lower your pose. Come here. Where are you going? Oh, you're having lie down on the floor. So Duncan just went with dogs, and I was very naughty and stayed home. Didn't go with him. I thought it would be a bit too much for us to go all together again. So I'll vlog you tomorrow. I'm going to keep it up and see how it goes. In Ikea we met a friend, another mummy. It was quite funny because we are from a small village here, and we just bumped to each other. But in a big Ikea, you never know who you're going to meet. Yeah. And we haven't decided exactly on the chair. I really want that green one, however it's quite dark. I need to have a look if there are any options to kind of have a cover, because I've seen long time ago in Poland someone was doing like upholstery, special little covers for that style of chair, and it looked beautiful. But on the other hand, I already have a busy print behind me, and that chair is going to stand in this corner here, so it has to ideally somehow pick up the color from this wallpaper and work together. We still have to decorate this living room and choose the color. I quite like the one that is at the moment. It's like a kind of beigey, cream beige, but I don't know. On the other hand, I quite like this kind of dirty pink. So I don't know what I'm waving, why I described this, but there we go. Okay, I always struggle to finish those videos, so I'm just gonna say goodbye till tomorrow. I'm going to the class tomorrow, so see you there.